Welcome to ezBriefs. ezBriefs improves accuracy and greatly reduces the time it takes to build a table of authorities. When you're ready to start building your table, click on the ezBriefs link at the top of the Microsoft Word ribbon. The first thing you need to do is select your style manual from the drop-down. Simply click on the style manual you'd like to use, and you're ready to go. The next thing you're going to want to do is click the Find button to begin the process. This usually takes a few seconds, and once it's done, you will see the Found Authority pane on the right-hand side, as well as highlights on all the cited authority found in the brief. ezBriefs identifies all the cited authority and presents it for easy review. You can now use the side panel to review found authority. In this document, there are cases, statutes, and rules. If you'd like to add a section that is not currently there or change the name of a current section, simply click on the plus sign. From here, you can add other authority sections, customize a section, or simply change the name of a section by double-clicking, removing the text or adding text, then clicking on the select button. It's that simple. You're now ready to start review. You can either work your way down one at a time, clicking on the found authority, and it'll take you to the spot in the brief, or you can scroll through the brief and make sure ezBriefs captured everything you intended to be. First thing you're going to see is a case without a title. That's typically because it's a split citation. Simply click on the title, copy it, Control-V to paste, and save it. It's now been added. You can also remove the parentheticals by simply double-clicking on the one you would like, highlighting, deleting, and then with the remaining one, you want to link it to the primary. Click Apply, and you'll now see that they're linked. The next step is to confirm citations. We compare the case authority as it was presented in the brief to our complete case law database. Click the Confirm Citations button to begin. This takes just a few seconds. Click the Resolve Exceptions button to begin. Since Howsam, Deanwitter, Reynolds, as it was written in the brief, was 573 U.S. 79. In this case, we identified that the volume was transposed. It should have been 537 U.S. 79. You can view the actual case from our database by clicking the View button. You'll see here that this is 537 U.S. 79. So therefore, you're going to click the Replace, and you'll see that the proposed change is to replace the volume number with 537. Apply the change, and it'll take you to the next. The next one is simply an abbreviation difference between our database and what was presented in the brief. In this case, simply click Ignore. All exceptions have been resolved. Click OK, and now you'll see that Howsam, Deanwitter, Reynolds has been changed in the Found Authority panel as well as in the brief. You're ready to build your table. The first step is to click Format Table. We have taken the word formatting controls and built them into an easy-to-use panel within ezBriefs. You will see that you can select a default profile or build a custom profile for later use. You can select where you want to position the table, at the current cursor position or at the beginning of the document. You can select your title preferences, section headings, as well as table entries to include passing or subgrouping statutes and rules by name. You can add line breaks or decide whether you want pin sites or not. Once you're done, you'll select Apply Changes. These changes persist between documents, and you're ready to go. Next step is to put your cursor where you would like to position your table and select Build Table. This usually takes just a few seconds, and it's done. If you'd like to subgroup your statutes and rules, simply check the box and apply changes, and it'll automatically update the table. Once you've built your table, you can hyperlink the case citations within the brief to the corresponding case law opinion document from our database. Simply click the hyperlink button to begin. In just a few seconds, all of the case citations in the brief will be hyperlinked. You can share this with co-counsel, colleagues, or the court in either Word or PDF, where the receiver will have access to the cases whether they have an ezBriefs license or not. Simply click Control-Enter to open up the case. It's that simple. Thank you for taking the time to preview ezBriefs and all it has to offer.